miui.ify. Custom Notification is a dynamic Android application designed to enhance the notification experience on devices running MIUI or similar interfaces. This app offers users the ability to customize their notification settings, allowing for personalized alerts and improved organization of app notifications. The primary feature of miui.ify is its extensive customization options, enabling users to modify notification tones, LED colors, and vibration patterns according to their preferences. This ensures that notifications are not only functional, but also visually appealing and distinctive, making it easier to differentiate alerts from various applications. Additionally, the app often includes features like grouped notifications, which help users manage multiple alerts more efficiently, and the ability to schedule notifications, providing a more tailored user experience. With an intuitive interface, miui.ify aims to simplify notification management while adding a layer of personalization that enhances the overall usability of the device. Overall, miui.ify Custom Notification stands out as a valuable tool for users seeking to elevate their notification experience on their Android devices.